my name is Kara Mezek. I'm a branch assistant at the Wicomico Public Libraries at the Center Branch, and today, as part of our Kids Craft program, we're going to be making a scene from the book of the Five Little Pumpkins, and I have the Pete the Cat version here of our Five Little Pumpkin book. You can find this book on Hoopla by going to our website, wicomicolibraries.org. You'll scroll down on the website page and go onto the Hoopla tab, have your library card ready, and you can log in and find our book. So, to get started on our craft today, you'll need some tacky glue, a pencil, a black marker, scissors. You'll need to have some popsicle sticks, and I have some orange and green construction paper. And this is black cardstock. It does not have to be black. You can use whatever color that you would like. And you can find all of these materials, including black cardstock, at your local Walmart. So to begin, I'm going to find 8 popsicle sticks. And using my tacky glue, I'm only going to put 2 or 3 dots of glue, because the tacky glue tends to spread out, so you don't need very much of it. And since I am building a fence for my pumpkins to sit on, I'm going to make sure that I'm not spreading my popsicle sticks too far apart. So after completing this step, you should have 4 popsicle sticks in a line. You're going to add a dot of glue across the popsicle sticks that are already in place. And as we add the bottom row, you want to go just below the middle. We're going to leave about 1/2 inch of the popsicle sticks left at the bottom. Okay, so while this dries, we're going to begin making our pumpkin. So I have some orange construction paper, and the easiest way to do this is to cut a square out of your construction paper, and you're going to draw an oval shape. Be sure not to draw it too big. We want to make sure that it's just small enough to fit on top of our fence that we've made. So now, using our black marker, we're going to draw some curved lines onto our pumpkin. And if you would like to draw a face on your pumpkin, you can. You can do that by drawing the 2 triangles and then a triangle for the nose. Now I'm going to take some of my green construction paper. I'm going to cut a very, very thin strip. I'm going to cut the end off. This is going to be the stem for my pumpkin. And I flipped my pumpkin over and I'm going to add just a very slight dab of glue on the top. And I'm going to add the stem now. So you should have one completed pumpkin. I have some pre-cut pumpkins here that I'm going to add. And now I'm going to take the glue and I'm going to add a small dab in the center. Place my pumpkin on the fence. So while your pumpkins are drying, if you would like, you can take your scrap pieces of green paper and you can cut a rectangle out. And we can add some grass around our fence post. So I have my rectangle and I'm cutting pretty far down past the middle section, cutting very thin strips. Bend the corners in. And repeat that process for one more area of grass. So now I'm going to be adding some glue onto the bottom of the popsicle stick and onto the cardstock. You can repeat that on whatever fence post area you'd like. And this will complete your 5 little pumpkin scene. Thank you so much for joining us today, and don't forget to check out the Hoopla on the wycomicalibraries.org.